second place. I have 81.
Hey guys, so this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Today I'm going to be playing Natural Disaster with my brother. So yeah. So I'm gonna try not to die. Don't really want to go anywhere yet. Oh dear.
Yeah, I'm gonna start recording now.
My brother is also recording. He also has a YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Roblox with my sister,
So Kingston, what's your YouTube channel?
Kingston Gamer.
So my brother's YouTube channel is Kingston Gamer, and my YouTube channel is just called Nevaeh Churchill. Flood! Oh dear.
I love floods.
Yeah, me too.
I'm on the highest and most sturdiest point.
Yeah, me too. Hello, Kingston.
Hi.
But yeah, so we are pretty much noobs. We don't buy money very much in games. My brother buys money in like Fortnite, but that's it. And also, I'm sucking on a ring pop right now. So, yeah, so is my brother.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh yeah, I gotta take that out right now. Sorry. Don't stay sturdy.
Lots of people up here.
Wait. Gosh. Oh yeah. Pop that. Oh,
yay, we lived!
That wasn't even hard.
We survived. I'll get back to you guys when we're at the next round.
A new survival.
Okay, let's see here.
Look after this. I'm gonna hide in these.
I kind of, what I usually do, I kind of try to look around a little. Here's my brother.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm looking around. I don't seem to see anything quite yet.
My older sister's recording. Go give a sub to her channel and sub to my channel.
Yeah. We're both recording. It's great. My videos.
Fire.
Oh dear. My videos are probably not going to be the best quality right now. Oh, there's the video. There's the fire. Sorry.
I won't stop dancing.
My tactic is, once the fire gets out of the first spot it was.
My tactic is never stop dancing.
So, where it started, once the fire goes out there and it turns black, I'll just go right there and...
My tactic is never stop dancing.
Yeah. I can see that.
Okay.
Oh dear.
Nice.
Oh dear, Kingston, you better run.
Why?
You bet, because it's really close.
I ain't never stop dancing.
Ooh, see those black pieces? That's what I'm gonna try to jump on those.
Oh my god, the tower just got broken.
Alright, maybe this'll work. This may work. It also may not.
Oh, this kid has a balloon. Help. One.
Why'd you?
Does it not come in that above your head? Guys. Ah, was that easy?
Yay, we survived.
Wrenched it.
Okay, we're back.
No, I
there's some clouds in the sky, and so I think I'm gonna go inside for right now. Oh, it's gonna be a blizzard or a sandstorm. Kingston, come.
I'm dancing.
Take care. Where are you?
I'm dancing on the hay.
Are you? Oh god, it's a sandstorm. No, shoot. I'm gonna get in one of these little corners right here.
Oh god.
That's what I usually do. And when I can't
I'm dancing, I'm not taking damage.
I'm not either. I don't know if any... I have a little bit of damage gone, but I don't think that's from... Oh dear. Sandstorm! Dodge flying objects.
I'm gonna run right into them.
Mhm.
Where the flying objects at. Come on, Bates, dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
And guys, if you like either of our channels, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and share this video with your friends. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell notification right next to the subscribe button, so that whenever we post a new video, you get the notification, so you can watch it straight away and become part of the early squad. This is kind of boring.
Yeah, I'm just dancing. I just got send request by Blue Flack. I think that's his name. His name is Blue Flack.
Oh, guys, and the kinds of games that I play, sometimes I play Minecraft. I don't usually very often, but sometimes I do.
I swear, I'm gonna look after this, and his name is Blue Flack.
I play,
Wow,
oh, there we go. I'll tell you what else I play when I come back. 1 minute. We're back. So, as I was saying before, I play a lot of different things. There's my brother. I only like 3 games. But I play Roblox sometimes. I also play Minecraft with my brother sometimes. I don't play games very often, but the game I have been playing a lot lately, I've been playing The Sims 4. It's a super fun game.
Yeah, I thought I could stand on the edges. Yeah, I thought I could stand on the edges. The secret before down.
No!
Yeah, I'm sad.
Did you... Volcano! Okay. This is what I like to do. I like to jump onto the volcano. Because,
Why are you bullying me?
I like a little bit of action in my life. Alright, so I'm probably gonna die from all these. Oh god, I forgot to. Oh, and we're living. Okay. Alright, we're good. Oh dear, somebody just died.
On the volcano?
Yeah. I don't want to go much closer to the top. So,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna chill out here.
Oh. You took damage?
I jumped off something.
God, look at the guy's HP.
He's really low.
Why is he down so much?
I don't know.
Did you just see how close that was?
Yeah. These pieces are getting pretty close. But I think I'll be fine down here.
Shanghai.
Anyways. Yeah, probably. Oh no, I died! Alright, well.
You died right before the game ended.
I'll be back in a minute. And we're back. Let's see, there's nothing so far. Nothing around. We're playing yeah.
So, looks like a let's look at this.
Me and my brother both died during that, right? Oh gosh, I'm doing something in the chat. Okay,
looks like a
anyways,
mansion sort of, I guess.
this is like a big office building.
Wait, the map.
What?
Oh yeah. Never stop dancing.
I can't see anything quite yet.
Never stop dancing.
I really wanted to be Tsunami. I was right. I just really wanted. Where's the entrance? Oh god, I gotta get up. Really, Kingston, it's a tsunami. Run!
Why did I stop to dance?
Don't know. Usually I go about halfway up, but I don't know why I didn't this time. Oh, it's coming. I like see it. It's right there.
Yeah, usually I'll go halfway up to see the disaster.
And then if I need to go up, that I can.
Wait.
What?
No, I'm not going to highest ground.
Don't go highest ground. Don't go highest ground.
Knock the whole building
It's
down.
the worst idea. Oh my god, I just fell down to the bottom floor.
I just saw you die.
I died from fall damage.
That's the crippling depression, right?
Alright, I'll be back in a minute.
No! Oh my!
And we're back.
And
Okay.
we're back at the high school.
We're at the
It's
Heights
Monday.
High.
The worst day of all.
So let's go outside.
Type in the comments and what's your favorite day of the week. Mine is obviously Saturday.
I like my
What
favorite.
is this? This person has no shirt. I'm gonna actually have to blur that out.
We were playing Meat City earlier and on Roblox, and my brother, for some reason, his clothes just disappeared.
Yeah.
It was really funny. We've been playing video games for like. Actually, we took a big break.
Yeah. 341.
I don't want to. I almost died from fall damage last time. I'm pretty sure, or like I got.
Yeah, I have to
Volcano! Yes, I'm going over!
get away from the volcano. Over half the people. Get closer to it, boys.
Jumping on the volcano.
How do you do that?
You just gotta jump down.
It goes away. Yeah, I can't do it now.
Why?
It runs away.
You can still do it.
I just got flung up in the air.
Oh, poor Kingston, no!
It's just floating. Yeah.
Yeah. I died.
Wait, they made an update.
What?
No, you can jump off the edge now.
Alright. Anyways. Bye, guys.
Bye,
See you in a
guys.
minute.
Thanks for watching.
What? We're not playing one more round?
Oh,
We'll play one more round.
I'm not. You can. Bye,
Okay.
guys. Thanks for watching. The big one that's not even a song.
Guys, we are back. My brother left us. He left, but he's editing actually. But I wanted to play one more round, and then I think we're gonna go film another video together. But I just fell. This guy is gonna run me over. I don't know what is happening here. This is gonna be my last. You're still right. Kingston, you're still in the game.
Oh.
Acid rain. Oh God.
Die.
I don't know. There's nowhere to get under, and so
I'm just dancing in the rain.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Eat it.
I'm gonna die. Ow!
There's a wrapper on that.
Can I have a blue one?
I don't know if there's any. I don't want. You can have that.
Ah!
You just
How do you dance?
slash e dance. There's only one slash though. You press slash. C.
Oh yeah! Woo! I was supposed to tell you that.
No.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Oh, I died.
Wait, did I die?
Yeah.
I'm still alive and you're not.
All right, guys.
If I actually survive.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And as I said at the beginning, please like and subscribe and hit the little bell notification so that you get a notification every single time I upload. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!